If your Logenex TeleDoorBell doesn't make your phone ring like this, hang up your phone and press star pound 77. If you hear 2 beep, that means it's just enable it, and if you hear 3 beep, it means it disable it. 2 beep means it's enable. Now it's disable. And now it's enable.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!